Huh?
What are you doing? Taking a picture?
Taking a video. Crawling up under there and go to sleep at night. As long as the mountain we didn't have an earthquake. If it come down just right and hard enough, it'd be a painless death at least. They may never find you or me. Huh? I'm always talking about death, I know. Well, I mean, I've had death, a lot of it surrounding me most of my life. You know, spirits and whatnot.
See the climbing area.
Well, let's go toward the climbing area. Someday, maybe we just need to bring some stuff and let me jump off the cliff. It's up there, that's for sure. Beautiful. You need to have a Xanax necklace so you could lick on it as you jump off. I'd do it just for the adrenaline. Well, I might have one too, but it'd be fun for that second or two. I sound like my dad. My dad was a adrenaline junkie too. Where I get it. Okay, I'm turning this off.